Hi everyone, today I'll be walking you through my March planner setup using Planners Anonymous Main Street Kit. I love this teal and yellow color combination, and I've added some fun black and white polka dot ribbons as paper clips. Here in the front pockets, I usually keep the stickers from the kit and a few non-bulky die cuts. I have two favorite design papers this month and will be switching out this storefront cover design middle month so that I can enjoy both designs. Here are 4 out of 6 quote cards that were in the kit, and it's to remind me it's okay to treat myself, especially on bad days, and it's also a reminder not to shop every day. This is what I call my future calendar, which I'll usually set up the month before to record important dates and to have fun preparing for the next month. Here's a sneak peek of next month's Blossom theme. Is used to memory keep any fun or important days in the month, and I'll usually share the completed page on Instagram. Here are 4 weeks worth of weekly printables which you can download and print from Peony's Pocket as a subscriber of the kit. I will usually print a pocket size weekly to-do and an A5 size weekly health tracker. You can view how I set up these fun weekly tabs in my Instagram. This is the first of the monthly sections, which is the all-important finance or budget tracker, where my goal is to stamp more no-spend days. But if there's a need to spend, I'm now able to track my monthly commitments, weekly groceries, meals outside, monthly guilty pleasures, or any miscellaneous spending. At the end of the month, I'll total them up and record any savings to bring forward to the next month. This is an example of January's tracker. Next is my home calendar to track laundry and cleaning days or any other home maintenance matter. This is so true. It's me or the house. Both of us can't look good at the same time. Love this stamp. It really takes the guilt away. Finally, it's my fun creative tracker where I'll swatch any new washes or inks, but more importantly, it's for me to track my consistency in creating every day and sharing on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. I've also shown how you can easily create this bookmark on my Instagram. You just need to make a single cut and you can easily remove or place the bookmark without removing the rings. In line with Main Street's shopping theme, here's 2 fun ideas you can include this month. One's a crafty wish list, and here's sharing mine with you. Next is a style board or a style wish list with useful notes which you can print from Pinterest. And that's it for this month's setup. Thank you so much for watching.